Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today in this video we're going to discuss about a method or a trick kind of trick by which we can calculate square root of any number within 5 seconds. Okay, only 5 seconds. Actually 3 if you practice a bit. The only prerequisites required for learning this method is that you should know how to find the square root of a perfect square number, right? Like for example um, root over of 36 will give me 6, root over of 81 will give me 9. Only this. Okay, this much is enough for this. So hopefully you guys know about it. So let's get started. Let's say if you want to find the square root of a number 39. Okay, so in order to calculate the square root of this kind of number, we will go through three steps. The first one will be to find a number, find a close number of which you can find the square root of that number quite easily. So the closest to 39 will be 36. It should be less, right? So square root of 36 is 6. We can easily find that out. Then we need to, coming on to the second step, in the second step we need to calculate the difference in between the number that we are trying to find and the number we have like used for calculating this number. Hopefully you guys are getting what I want to say. The 39 minus 36 will give me 3 here, and then I'm going to write this 3 over here. Okay, this is 3. uh, Let me use a different color. Yes. And coming on to the third and last step, we need to calculate the twice of this number. Okay, twice of this number, which will be 6 into 2. So 6 into 2 is 12, and we are going to write it in the denominator part, something something like this. So now we need to calculate this 3 by 12 part. So let's calculate it. If we are going to like divide 3 by 12, then how much you're gonna get? 12, this is 0 into 2 will give me 24, 6 remaining will go for 5, and then this is 60. I think you guys know how to do this, right? So the actual result will be 6. You need to write this number 6 and this decimal point, which is 0.25. Okay, so now this is my theoretical result. Now what about my practical result? Like what is actually square root of 39? Actual value of square root of 39 is 6.2449. It's quite close, 449, and it's 5. So it's like not 100% accurate but 99% accurate, and I think this is good enough to find the square root of any number. Okay, so I am going to give you another example, and then I think this thing will be clear, crystal clear. So square root of 89. Let's say if you want to find the square root of a number 89, so the first step that we need to do here is to find a number which is less than 89, and we can find the square root of that number quite easily, which is 81. Of course we know that 9 will give me, the result will be 9. Then coming on to the next step, the next step was to find the difference between this number and this number. Okay, so 89 minus 81 will give me 89 minus 81 will give me 8, and then let me write it in the numerator part, which is actually 8. And now we need to calculate, in the third and final step we need to calculate the denominator part. How are we going to do that? We need to get this 9 and to find the twice of it. Okay, so 9 into 2 will give me 18. 18 and write it over here in the denominator part. So this is 18, and then we need to calculate 8 by 18 only. So this is 18, 8 divided by 18. So there goes my decimal. There's 80, like 4 times will give me 72. 4 times will give me 72, right? Oh yes. So now there is again 8. Oh, so we are in a loop. So actually you guys can like calculate this, finish this thing up, so that the remainder gets 0. If anyone like goes there, they can come down in comment box, comment your answer, your like final answer. I'm being lazy, I'm leaving it here. Okay, so now root over 89 will give me 9. Write this number 9. This is an ugly 9, very ugly 9. 9.44. So this is my theoretical result. Okay, so this thing here is my theoretical result. Now what is the actual result of this thing? Let me calculate it. The actual result is 9.4339. So damn, it is very close. So just practice it more, and I'm sure you guys will get it done in like just few seconds, in 1 or 2 seconds maybe. So that's it. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, check out my channel. Share it with your friends, of course, if you find this thing interesting. And stay tuned for more. Bye bye. Peace out.